Alrighty, so today we are splitting with an old school John Deere M. Now it's 1952, 27 horsepower, gasoline, not diesel, 6-volt system, positive ground, so terminals are switched, and it is a sweet little tractor. This thing purrs like a kitten, and it's cold today. It is frosty, and this thing will fire up and run just like any other piece of equipment would. Now on tractors this old, attaching the 3-point hitch is a little more tricky. You can see in this case here, this tractor doesn't even have a 3-point hitch. It's too old to have it. They didn't have it back in the day. So we made a really cool little system to just U-bolt onto our crossbar, and our top link consists of a strap, which is decent. It's not maybe a long-term solution, but it works great. And you can see our PTO pump is mounted on the PTO shaft. And as far as the PTO pump goes, we have our extender, which is positively locked on that PTO shaft. So every PTO powered machine comes with this extender to keep it locked on. And you can see here we have our torque arm that is now zinc coated, and we have a chain to prevent rotation on that. In today's world, we don't have much of a use for tractors like this, but you can still make it very useful by adding a PTO powered splitter like we have in this case. You know, this is more of a tractor you might use for running through a parade or something like that. But in this case, we're using it to split wood, and it works really, really good. So, cool tractor, and we got a huge assortment of wood, and we're gonna have some fun. So, watch us do some splitting. So I'm not sure how many RPM that is, but it's not high. It's pretty low, and it's actually really quiet. You know, I could easily talk here with somebody. It's a real quiet little tractor, and you know, our cycle time is pretty quick. You know, we're not waiting around a long time for this to split. When you got a piece of wood up here, it works really well. So I'll throw my, I'm gonna throw my 2-way on it. A little bit of walnut. Always going fun. So there you got it, a 3403 PTO on an old school tractor. Maybe you got like a Ford 8N, maybe an M series John Deere, whatever. You can make an old school tractor pretty useful, and it works really good. So I have, I don't know, hours of splitting here, which is fine. It's the holiday season. I hope everybody has a good holiday, and I want to thank you for all the support over 2024. And keep in mind, we'll be gone for the holiday for a week and a half, something like that. But yeah, thanks for watching. Give us a big subscribe. Leave a comment below if you have an old tractor. You know, we'd love to see what you got in your barn too. So anyways, take it easy and have a good one.